On Tuesday, April 25th, the City of Waco held a career expo and job fair featuring dozens of open positions plus opportunities to meet with representatives from every city department. More than 100 Waco residents attended the career expo at the convention center. Attendees had a chance to win prizes and had a chance to interview on the spot for select positions. Local high schools were invited as an opportunity to see the myriad of career opportunities available in their local government. If you're interested in joining the City of Waco team but couldn't make it to the job fair, visit workforwaco.com to learn more about current open positions. Working for Waco is a great opportunity for meaningful work that makes a difference in your community. The City of Waco held a weekend-long celebration to commemorate the reopening of the iconic Waco Suspension Bridge.
As we gather here today, I'm really reminded of the rich history of this bridge. Bridges are seen as symbols of connection, linking people and places that were once separated. They can represent unity, cooperation, and collaboration. And today, as we reopen this bridge, it's a symbol of our city's connectedness and unity.
After the Brazos Nights concert on Friday, April 21st, the Suspension Bridge reopening celebration continued on Saturday with a ribbon-cutting ceremony and a symbolic cattle drive across the bridge, complete with cowboys, a covered chuck wagon, and 20 longhorns as an ode to 19th century Waco, Texas. Following the cattle drive, Waco residents celebrated with food and family-friendly activities. For the past 2 years, the bridge has been closed to the public to undergo a $14 million renovation project. A multitude of structural enhancements, including new support systems, decking, and cables, in addition to landscaping, irrigation, and lighting improvements, were made to ensure the bridge is preserved for generations to come. Originally constructed in 1870, the Suspension Bridge is a state historic landmark. At the time, it was the longest suspension bridge west of the Mississippi River. The bridge stimulated the growth of Waco, helping the city become the capital for cotton and cattle in central Texas. The bridge served vehicular traffic until 1971, and it has undergone several renovations. Today, the bridge serves only pedestrian traffic and is the centerpiece of Indian Spring Park.